do we got in the bay?
GTI.
What do we got here?
TTRS.
MK2?
6-speed manual.
MK2?
Mm-hmm.
And what's done to the motor?
So this is a fully built IMS850 kit. IROS head gasket, ARP 2000 head studs, Supertech valve springs retainers, pistons, rods, the turbo kit of course, a couple forged items. But basically we're going to upgrade the high pressure pump right now, and then we are shipping this bad boy off to United Motorsports, and we're going to get a nice break-in map on this. So you could break in the clutch, break in the engine, and then everything's getting switched over to Cyvex.
Sweet. We're doing a full Cyvex on this?
Yeah, full standalone ECU. So
that's awesome.
Whether I do it or someone else does it, Johnny's a really good dude. One of our customers for a long time. He's got a couple nasty builds. This being one of them, a full B5 Avant with a Tile 770 kit, I believe, on it. That's a beautiful car.
And then they
he had
saw
a Mark 7R.
They saw his RS3 at
also
Dyno Night.
his RS3 was on the dyno at Dyno Night.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna take off this intake system, do his high pressure pump upgrade. Where did I put that little guy? So we're gonna pop this in the high pressure pump, and then we're gonna get it over to Fred and Jeff over at UM. And
cool.
see what this built motor could do. Not too much. I mean, it has 100 miles on the clutch. I don't want them to smoke it, but it definitely needs a break in tune so that he could break this motor and break the, not really a turbo kit in, but break everything in, and then switch over to full standalone and go pretty crazy with it.
Sweet.
Yep.
All right, Fudge. We're in the vert. We're in the M4 vert. So, what are we doing?
So we're doing carbon seat backs, as you could tell. So these pieces here, you tape them up, and then they stick on for, a little aesthetically.
So you don't have to take the plastic off.
No, they stick right over
cool.
the top of it.
Yeah.
So I've done these before, but it hasn't been on convertibles. And if anyone else needs it done, this is actually very nice. Because I can actually just sit back here.
Yeah,
I'm not squeezing back here like this, you know what I mean?
Right, right.
So this is nice.
Sweet.
I think it looks pretty good.
It does, yeah.
With the top down and people can actually see it,
With the top down. They should make them for, this part. I know it's leather, but,
Yeah, relax.
well, it'll look good. That's nice.
There's no other plastic. But this is actually all leather back here, which is pretty interesting. I mean, this is plastic, but this type of plastic, I don't think it will stick to it. But
Oh, that looks good.
this is a nice color. Nice interior color.
It is. This is the peanut butter, or is this the orange?
Looks like orange to me.
Sweet. Thanks, Fudge.
If I was the Pope, this is how it would be.
Meanwhile.
Well, Mike, what do you think? You think the vinyl's going to stick to the roof?
Just gonna have no choice.
What color are you doing the top?
Just white.
White?
Old school.
White with the green.
Yeah, that's a nice green.
That's going to look fire,
We waited like a
dude.
year and a half for this thing.
Really?
Yeah.
What? Let's give me a little walk around, Mike.
All right,
Show us the
all
truck.
right. So we got here a 2022 Jeep Wrangler.
That's a funny looking Wrangler.
No, these things are sick.
Yeah, they
Supposedly
are.
they have the lowest gearing, even lower than Jeep right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, for off-road and stuff.
The screen's nasty.
It's a nice color. I like this thing.
So, what color did the client choose? I know white, but is it like a
It's like a satin white. Like
satin
a
white?
Not
Nice.
a cream, but like not a bright snow white. It's like kind of in the middle.
Cool.
They look good. They old school look to it,
Yeah, that'll look nice. They actually have a special edition Bronco coming out that has the white top and everything with
cool.
it.
I
Yeah,
like it. I like all the 80s and 70s stuff. That's cool.
So that'll look sweet. I'll check back with you.
Sounds good.
2 hours later.
ACI wraps. You got one side done, Mike?
One side's done. Working on the other side right now. What do you think?
Jeez. It looks really good.
Yeah,
It looks really good.
White tire letters too for the VF Goodrich.
Oh, really?
Kind of tie it all in.
Oh, that'll be fire.
Like an old school look.
So that'll be all white?
Yeah.
That'll look fire. No, this looks good. On camera, it looks a little bit offier white, which I kind of like. It looks really good.
I'll be happy.
It's like textured too, almost.
Yeah, you kind of like sync
From a-
into the texture of the top.
It looks good, Mike.
Okay, getting it.
One eternity later.
Hey, Nick. Hey, Caesar. What do we got here? What are you taking off?
I think this is the fuse that starts the car. This is the main fuse, Martin told me. High pressure fuel pump. So we're gonna take this high pressure fuel pump out. See now, in the old FSI cars, let me show you this. Probably can't get it because I need a magnet, but I wanna show you to tap it. That usually goes bad. Not in these because these are rollers, but can I get it? Usually I'm pretty good with my fingers. So see,
And we're back.
this is the roller. So see this? It's
Yep.
on a roller bearing. So the old FSI motors, like the 2.0 FSI motors in the Golf R and the Mark V GTI, basically this cam fowler right here, it wouldn't be on a roller, it was just a fat piece. So basically the cam lobe would always rub on it, and that would be the the service interval where we would change it every like 10,000 miles if you're tuned. But now this is like, the TSI kind of like 4-cylinder upgrade, but this is a TFSI, but basically it's on a roller, long story short. So now, you can check them every now and then, make sure they're not seized up and stuff, but you don't have a problem like the old FSIs. So now that rides on that, and the cam lobe will ride on a wheel instead of a flat piece, so it won't get worn out. And then this will ride on this,
Cool. Thanks, Nick.
Okay, stop.
Okay. Try again.
You might have to put it in the vise. I don't think you're strong enough.
Ready?
Stop.
Yeah.
Vise.
All right, Nick.
We're gonna need to hold it up. Let's go hold it.
This is a real TTRS.
He said that's a real TTRS.
That's a real. It's all together.
You want to know why, Tyler? Come here, Tyler. I'll show you why.
I hear it moving,
Oh
Fudge.
yeah, baby.
Ask him if it's a sequential.
Is it a sequential?
So you know DSG.
The next day.
Go, 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 go.
He wants that in the RS3, dude. I'm putting it in the RS3, Martin.
If the other one's a smaller.
Joe?
Hello.
What do we got here?
LS3 built out with supercharger. First run, we're only tentative, but we're gonna get more numbers. We're gonna be over 600.
Sweet.
I feel we're gonna be over 600.
Ready for another poll?
Oh, it's gonna be loud as hell. I can't wait.
Sweet. Ready for another poll, Martin?
Yeah, in a minute. So that was Rev 1 in third gear because we couldn't do fourth gear, which would be optimal for this transmission because it's built. So we couldn't do fourth gear because it goes too fast for the dyno. We hit about 170 miles an hour. So we're going to keep it in third gear, which the readings are going to be a little bit lower, but right now Rev 1 and we're over 550 both torque and force. So yeah.
Let's hear another poll, Martin.
go.